Hi everyone, it's Holly Reed, and today I'm here to talk to you about Vial. Have you heard about it? Maybe not. It is our new cutting edge technology, green chemistry lip stain. Okay, so this stuff is amazing. What it uses, here is a little card talking about it. I'm going to show you the actual product too, and some tips and tricks. It's a lip stain, but it doesn't have all the drying alcohol and chemicals in it that a lot of them out there do. So our major thing that we use is a primer before the lip stain. And what that is a fermented desert date oil that locks in moisture. That's what it looks like. It's a little primer. So I'm gonna tell you guys, give you some tips on how to apply this first. And that is, so first time I put this on, it was a little tricky because I did it wrong. So this is why I'm making this video, so that you can kind of see. So this is a primer. It's clear. You're not going to see it. But what it does, you put it on and you let it dry and it gets a little bit tacky. And that's going to make the lip stain stick to it and last longer. So first thing you want to do with the primer, and you have to use the primer. You do. It's required. You want to scrape off a little bit of the excess. You don't need a lot. Now, technique with this, same with the primer as the lip stain. You want to start in the middle. I'm using a mirror here. And you want to swipe left, right, and do the top. And you can purse them together. That's totally fine. I know with some types you cannot. So I'm going to wait a minute. I'm going to tell you about this stuff a little bit. Wait for this to dry a little bit. Now, before I put it on, I don't know if you saw, I scraped the excess off because a little goes a long way, just with all our products. So that's the primer. Now, the next thing you want to put on is your color. We're going to be launching 5 different colors, which is super awesome. The one I'm going to be using today is called Love the Wine You're With. It's kind of a dark wine color, but it looks great on all skin types. The whole point of Vial is to have a bold lip. So for me, it was a little dark because I don't wear a lot of makeup and I don't wear lipstick much. But it looks good. It looks good on all skin types. So this is Vial, the color Love the Wine You're With. Now there are going to be 4 other colors that launch next week too. There's like a nude coral color. There's a darker, more brown neutral. There's a bright like fire engine red. And then there's more of a neutral. This one, I don't have it with me, but here's a sample. Stop Blushing. This one is really nice if you like subtle color and you're not looking for that bold lip. So, super excited. So, I'm going to apply the color now. Same thing with this. You want to scrape off the excess so it's not too much color, because a little goes a long way. And then I'm going to show you how to put it on. Now, I am not great at this, so bear with me on how this turns out. Some of you that wear lipstick, this will be easy peasy for you. So you notice I didn't get any more. I just used what I